Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ALCATEL 3T10 and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, we have to open the keyboard, for example, in Messages, in Notes, in the browser, actually wherever you want to. Just have the keyboard on the screen. And now all we have to do is to simply enter the settings. If for some reason you cannot find them here, no worries. 3 dots icon, tap on OK, and the settings will appear right here. You can tap on them, hold them, and drag them to this panel to have much faster access to them. So let's enter the settings. And now we have to tap on the languages at the very top. And as you can see, this is the list of all currently added and applied languages. We've got only English, so let's change it. Let's tap on Add Keyboard. And we will be transferred to the full list of all available keyboards from which you can choose, from the languages from which we can choose. So as you can see, we've got a lot of options. This list is so wide, and I'm pretty sure that you will find the language you'd like to use. And basically, that's not what you have to do. Basically, all you have to do is to simply find the language you'd like to set and tap on it. Let me get back quickly. So let me pick maybe Arabian. Let me find it. Arabic. Not Arabian, Arabic, sorry. So let's tap on it, and depending on the language, you will be able to pick the region. So just tap on the one you'd like to set. And again, depending on the language, you will be able to pick a kind of keyboard type. So sometimes you will be able to pick only 1 or 2, just like right now I've got only 2 options to choose from. Or you will be able to pick from up to 5 different keyboards. So it will be handwriting and so on, that kind of stuff. Let me, for example, pick this one to show you how to pick different keyboard mode. So we have to mark it. And as you can see, we can use both of them, but I just want the second one. So let me untick the first option. We've got only the second marked. So let's tap on done. And as you can see, it has been immediately applied. What's more, it is notified right here which keyboard we've just chosen. So now we can go back to the keyboard itself and check. And here we've got actually 2 differences. So first of all, the spacebar. It's not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using. And next to it, we've got the globe icon, which will act just like a language key. So we can change the language using it. So right now I'm typing English, but after tapping on the globe icon, I can easily switch to the Arabic one. Let me tap on the keyboard again, and here we've got English. So as you can see, this is how to add the language to the keyboard. And now let me show you how to remove the language, because sometimes you don't really need 2 different languages added. You just want to change it and set only 1. So then let's enter the settings again, tap on the languages, and here from this tab we have to tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Now we can mark the language we would like to remove, and I will pick Arabic because that's not my kind of first language. I don't really know Arabic, so let me mark it. I just want to leave the English and tap on the trash bin icon. As you can see, we've got only English left, so just like it was at the very beginning of this video. And after getting back, you can see that first of all, the spacebar is empty and we cannot find the globe icon. So it means that we cannot change the language on the keyboard. So basically that's all. This is how to change keyboard language in your ALCATEL 3T10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.